How to see pending Robux. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. You just have to launch or go to your Roblox application or account. So here on the right side corner, you can see a Robux icon. You have two choices, Robux or buy Robux. You just have to tap the zero Robux here. And then here you can see transaction. So under summary, you can see options below, for example, incoming Robux, currency purchases, sales of goods, premium payouts, group payouts, and we have pending Robux. Now, pending Robux appears as soon as an item is bought. Robux only takes time to, I think, around a week for it to actually be able to be spent. Now, you can see also clock icon next to Robux. Before, it used to be 48 to 72 hours, but now it's from 3 to 7 days or about a week. But don't worry, it will just appear here if it will arrive in your account and ready to spend. It's easy as that. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.